From the workshop where innovation meets strength comes a machine built to outperform expectations. Shukab Engineering Workshop. Build up 008 to 020 exciting, energetic. This is not just another vehicle. This is a four-wheeler powerhouse, engineered to carry up to 5 tons without breaking a sweat. Off-road capability 020 to 032 rugged, adventurous tone, from muddy trails to rough, uneven landscapes and the open highway. This machine thrives where others struggle. Craftsmanship 032 to 044 confident, proud. Every detail, every weld, every bolt, crafted with precision, tested to endure, designed to last. Closing impact 044 to 1 o'clock strong.